Welcome to Josef's model railway and toy room? No, not quite. Hey, thank you so much for joining me. As always, you don't need to like, follow, or subscribe. Just put the videos out there where I can and have a jolly good time doing so. So, what's the delay with the model railway? Why couldn't I have achieved more in the past 12 months? Well, I've had my construction hat on and I have been building. From plumbing through to a commercial kitchen on the other side, to this magnificent studio that I've been under construction with for my wife, to this empty void I am in right now, which is sort of a semi-archival area, gift wrapping room, and another workbench that we'll be working on for some other little products later on. No, this is not where the Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars are going to live. That room is still under construction upstairs on the mezzanine, but we will be seeing that coming up in a couple of years' time as the materials become more available after the global pandemic, which was experienced over the past few years. It's just a really quick video, so don't stress, it'll be over before you blink. But as you can see, it's now being set up by my wife, who is unpacking crates of equipment and getting things set up for everything that she needs to do. So that's what I've been doing. That's why we didn't see a train running around the layout before Christmas. But rest assured, we are still very much on track. Well, that now concludes this video. Thank you so much for joining me and seeing what I've been up to. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Stay safe. Toodles!